Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Nissan T31 X-Trail TL, stock reference number 4693. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has an M9R 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. M9R 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front is a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the left-hand halogen tyre light. Tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar. Aftermarket Heyman and Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, end module with mech. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand halogen tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory eclipse, sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.